is why you need to know how birds protect their young from the rain. It's truly fascinating. Birds are incredible parents. When the skies open up, many parent birds spread their wings wide, creating a cozy canopy for their chicks. They huddle close, using their own bodies to keep their babies warm and dry. But that's not all. Some birds duck out of the weather, finding shelter until the storm passes. And even in the heaviest downpour, birds can still take to the skies, braving the elements with amazing resilience. When the rain finally stops, mother birds have one more trick. They lift their wings slowly, letting the sunlight gently dry their little ones. Isn't nature just amazing? Next time it rains, think of our feathered friends and their remarkable rain tactics.